We can begin our discussion today with the first technology, which is the GLP-1 receptor agonists. Now, this drug class is not a new drug class per se. They've been around for quite some time for the treatment of diabetes. But what's happened in terms of innovation is that they've been able to show unprecedented weight reduction. The sort of newest therapy that is in phase 3 treatment is Eli Lilly's retatrutide. It's a triple receptor agonist and has been able to show a weight reduction of 24%, which is comparable to the effects of bariatric surgery, which is a gold standard for weight management, which is what makes this application very exciting. It has definitely seen a lot of market potential in the past few years. Semaglutide alone was able to generate over $27 billion in the past year, and the cumulative market potential for this drug class for the next 5 years is over $400 billion.
Advanced encapsulation, with the principle being to entrap an active molecule into carrier material, with the aim to improve efficiency of the product itself through availability or targeted goals. This is already used in food and beverage, personal care, and pharmaceuticals, but we are seeing increasing research being done for other applications in materials, electronics, and others. Here, what we want to highlight is that the R&D funding is focusing on application of these techniques, which is to be noted. And some examples are to be noted, especially in pharmaceutical, food, and fragrance products.
And what it really is it's a key step towards AGI, and it enables the AI algorithms learning and improvement and sort of almost self-analysis and self-thinking, with or without human intervention. And certainly this boosts accuracy and efficiency, but it also makes it more transparent, right? More relatable in some ways. Those are all key aspects of, having reliable AI.
Within Ferro Phosphate Batteries is what our team believes the next opportunity lies, because for a lack of better word, they have said it will revolutionize the electrochemical energy storage industry.
I'm going to take you from the field of medical to field of sustainable energy. And e-fuels is one such technology that we have spotted is gaining momentum. Now, this technology combines and solves several challenges that the industry is likely to face. So typically, those companies who are committed to sustainability and have carbon neutral or carbon zero goals, they are the companies who are looking for saving emissions when they make transportation solutions, and especially long haul transportation, such as air transport or such as shipping transport or sea transport.